Hello, my name is Stephanie Garcia, and I'm the National Training Manager with Marantec America. Marantec has released a new product called the Synergy. There are 4 Synergy lines, and they are the M55, the 270, 370, and 380. The Synergy product line is engineered and assembled in Germany utilizing the latest cutting-edge technology, such as improved energy efficiency, environment-friendly LED lighting, faster cycle speed, stronger motors, interchangeable belt and chain drive, rotatable power heads by 90 degrees to save space, soft start, soft stop, and a self-learning force system. All Synergy units can be upgraded to additional LED lighting, and Synergy models 370 and 380 allow for an internal optional battery backup system.